As the days of lockdown wax and wane, my thoughts take me back, once again, to the poetry of John Skelton and his seminal work, Speke Parrot.
Lectoribus auctu recipit opusculo huius auxesim, crescit in immensam mi vivo pagina presens, hinc mea dicitur, Skeltonides, aurea fama. Mi nam is Parrot, a bird of paradise, bi natur divised of a wondrous kind, daintily dieted with diversa delicata spice, till Euphrates that flood driveth me into Ind, where men of that country be fortune me find, and send me to great ladies of a start. Then Parrot must have an almond or a dart. A cage, curiously carven with silver pin, properly painted to be my couverture, a mirror of glass that I may tote therein. These maidens full merrily, with many a divorce floor, freshly they dress and make sweet mid-bore with, "Speak, Parrot, I pray you," full courteously they say. Parrot is a godly bird, and a pratty popagay. With me beak bent, and me little wanton eye, and me feathers fresh as is the emerald grain, about me neck a circlet like the cherubi. Me little leggers, me feet both feet and clean, I am a minion to white upon a queen. Oh, me proper Parrot, me little pretty fool, with laddies I lorn, and go with them to school. Oh, Parrot, you can laugh prettily. Parrot hath not dined of all this long day. Like our pusscat, Parrot can both mute and cree. In Latin, in Hebrew, and in Chaldee, in Greek tongue, Parrot can both speak, and say as Perseus, that poet, doth report of me, quis expedivit citaco sum cheer. Dutch French of Paris Parrot can learn, pronouncing me purpose after me property with parlez bien, Parrot, ou parlez rien. With Dutch, with Spanish, me tongue can agree. In English, to God, Parrot can so play. Chris save King Henry VIII, our royal king, the red rose in honour to flourish and spring. With Catherine incomparable, our royal queen also, that peerless pomegranate, Chris save here noble grass. Saves hablar Castiliano, Parrot, with Fedasso di Cosso in Turkey and in Thrace, Visconcilia expers, as teacheth me Horace, molle ruet sua, whose dictes are pregnant, suentis fois Parrot, and savanant. Miladi mistress, dam philologia, gave me a gift in me nest Wirelia, to learn all langage, and hit to speak aptly. Now pandas mori wax frantic, some men say. Phrenesis for phrenesis may not hold her way. An almond now for Parrot delicately dressed. In salva festa dies toto is the best. Moderate juvent, but toto doth exceed. Discretion is mother of noble virtues all. Medenagan in Greek tongue we read, but reason and wit wanteth their provincial, when willfulness is vicar general. Hec res acu tangitur Parrot parma fue. Tiesevou Parrot, tienez-vous coy. Busy, and busyness again. Que pensez-vous, Parrot, what meaneth this busyness? Vitulus in Oreb troubled Aaron's brine. Melchizedek merciful mad, Moloch merciless. To ease is no virtue, to meddling to restless. In mesure is treasure, cum sensum maturato. Ne troppo sano, ne troppo mato. Aram was feared in Chaldee's fear called Ur. Jobab was brought up in the land of Hus. The lineage of Lot took support of Assur. Jerebozeth is Hebrew, who list the cows discourse. Ah, pest, Parrot, ye prats as you are Hebrews. How was the earlier god when Henrik Ixeg in poppering grew pears when Parrot was an egg? What is this to purpose? All over in a Winnimeg? Hoplobbin of Loudoun will have a bit of bread. The jabbet of Baldock was made for Jack Leg. An arrow unfeathered without an head, a bagpipe without blowing standeth in no stead. Some run too far before, some run too far behind, some be too churlish, and some be too kind. Ich dien serveth for the estrich feather. Ich dien is the langage in the land of Bema. In Afrique tongue, Bersa is the tongue of leather. In Palestina, there is Jerusalem. Colostrum now for Parrot, wheat bread and sweet creme. Our Thomason, she doth trip. Our Janet, she doth shile. And Parrot have a black beard and a fair green tail. Morshaman own self, the costermonger saith. Fata, ye Irish water lag. In flattering fables men find but little faith. But moothe o'er terra, let the world wag, let Sir Rigrag wrestle with Sir Derrag. Every man after his own manner of ways. Paubi unaura, so the Welshman says. Oh, such shreddies of sentence strode in the shop of ancient Aristipus, and switch other mo I gathered together and close in the crop of my wanton conceit under dipromo. Diremat doctor in pedagogio sacrovatum, whereof to you I break. I pray you, let Parrot hath liberty to spake. But where the cat, Parrot? Where the false cat with... Who is there? A maid? Nay, nay, I trow. Wah, riot, Parrot, wah, riot, where that? With maid for Parrot, maid, I say, oh! Thus the verse of langage by learning I grow with bass me sweet Parrot, bass me sweet. To live along among ladies, Parrot is mate. Parrot, pratty papagay. With me beak I can pick at me little pratty too. Me delicht is solace, pleasure, disport and play. Like a wanton when I will I reel to and fro. Parrot can say, says a ave also. But Parrot hath no favour to Esbon. Above all other birds, set Parrot alone.